To reward fans whenever they fulfill your sponsorship offer, you need action codes. Click Add Action Code from the top menu. There are many different types of action codes. For our tutorial, we use paper-based action codes. It's like as if you are printing your own money. You give these codes away whenever fans come into your store to redeem your sponsorship offer. To create your paper-based action codes, enter a title, select the store and the money value. For example, $1. Then select how many codes you want to produce. Then select an action code design. You can also build your own designs if you don't like ours. Then upload your logo. In the advanced settings, you can set follow-up actions that should happen when fans redeem your code. You should also connect your codes with your promotion. This way, redemptions become visible in your sponsorship offer, and your offer becomes more popular. Click Save when you're done. It can take a few moments until your codes are ready. MyFavorito produces a PDF document with your action codes. You can then print them and cut them or give them to a printer house to cut them for you. If you are familiar with HTML, you can click Action Code Designs from the top menu to create your own action code designs and make them available to other MyFavorito sponsors. What happens with your codes? It's very simple. Fans and members now find your offer on MyFavorito and come to your store. For every $10 they spend, they get a $1 code from you. The code contains all information. Fans and members download the MyFavorito app and scan the QR code or enter the alphanumerical code on the myfavorito.com website. They then select their favorite sports club and redeem. And you can see the transaction in real time in your MyFavorito dashboard. Congratulations, you just created your first set of action codes.